Hello everyone. Let's start with our sixth question. Find the integrating factor of the differential equation. And this is the equation given to us e to raised to power minus 2 root x divided by root x minus y root x upon whole differentiate by dx by dy equals to 1. Now let's come to the solution part. Now here is the solution for you all. uh, I already solved for you. This is the equation e to power minus 2 root x divided by root x minus y root x whole differential dx by dy equals to 1. Now separate this equation and take dx by dy to right hand side. After taking right hand side, this equation seems to be as dy by dx plus py equals to q. You can check it this form. Now where p equals to 1 by root x and q equals to e raised to power minus 2 root x by divided by root x. Now we have to find integrating factor equals to e raised to power integral p dx. Now find the value of integral p dx, which is equals to integral dx by root x, and this is the integral of dx by root x. We will get 2 root x. Hence the integrating factor that we got is e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 2 root x. This is our final answer. You can check it.